The widely held belief that red wine is a healthier option, particularly when it comes to cancer prevention, has long been supported by claims about its high resveratrol content. Resveratrol, an antioxidant found in red wine, has been thought to offer protective effects against cancer due to its anti-inflammatory properties. However, recent research from Brown University's School of Public Health challenges this popular assumption, revealing troubling findings that call into question the supposed benefits of red wine in cancer prevention. A comprehensive meta-analysis conducted by researchers from Brown University involved data from 42 observational studies, including nearly 96,000 participants. The goal was to assess whether red wine, often touted for its health benefits, offers any tangible cancer protective effects when compared to white wine. The results were not as reassuring as many had hoped. Contrary to the widespread belief that red wine might reduce cancer risk, the study found no significant evidence to support that claim. In fact, the researchers were unable to find any notable difference in cancer risk between red and white wine consumption overall. This is a stark reminder that not all the benefits attributed to red wine are based on concrete evidence. For years, red wine has been hailed as a healthier alcoholic beverage due to its perceived cancer protective properties. However, this latest study casts doubt on the validity of those claims, suggesting that the idea of red wine being a cancer protective choice may be more myth than fact. This is particularly concerning given how deeply ingrained the notion is in public consciousness, leading many to believe that drinking red wine could somehow shield them from cancer risk. While the study did not find an overall increase in cancer risk associated with wine consumption, it did reveal one significant distinction. White wine consumption was linked to an increased risk of skin cancer. Specifically, the study calculated a 22% increased risk of skin cancer for individuals who consumed white wine compared to those who drank red wine. This is an unsettling discovery, especially when one considers the potential implications for those who regularly consume white wine under the mistaken belief that it poses fewer health risks. Although the reasons for this association remain unclear, the possibility that alcohol consumption, particularly white wine, could contribute to skin cancer underscores the need for more research into the broader health impacts of alcohol, beyond just its effects on the liver and internal organs. The researchers suggest that the link between white wine and skin cancer could be due to behaviors commonly associated with alcohol consumption, such as excessive sun exposure, indoor tanning, or inadequate use of sunscreen. However, the fact that only white wine was implicated raises additional questions. It may point to some as yet unidentified factors at play, and the study clearly calls for further investigation into why white wine, specifically, might carry this risk. Another concerning aspect of the study is its finding that women, in particular, may face higher cancer risks from drinking white wine. This adds an additional layer of complexity to the conversation about alcohol consumption and cancer risk. It is well known that alcohol can exacerbate risks for a variety of cancers, and now, the gender differences in how alcohol might affect cancer risk highlight the importance of tailoring health recommendations to different populations. The fact that women may be at an elevated risk underscores the need for more targeted research to understand the mechanisms at play and how they can be mitigated. While this study's results are certainly eye-opening, they also raise a fundamental concern. Alcohol consumption, regardless of the type of wine, should be approached with caution. The ethanol in alcoholic beverages metabolizes into harmful compounds that can damage DNA and proteins, contributing to cancer risk. In fact, excessive alcohol consumption was linked to over 740,000 cancer cases globally in 2020, representing 4.1% of all cancer cases worldwide. This highlights the broader, more alarming issue that alcohol, in any form, is a significant carcinogen. The findings of this study should serve as a cautionary reminder of the importance of moderation and the need for individuals to carefully consider the long-term consequences of alcohol consumption. Ultimately, this research challenges the notion that red wine is a harmless or even beneficial alcohol choice. While the idea of red wine offering cancer protection has been a comforting one for many, the evidence does not fully support it. If anything, this study underscores the need to reassess our beliefs about alcohol consumption and its role in cancer risk. Given the established links between alcohol and cancer, this study is a reminder that the risks of drinking, whether it's red or white wine, should not be taken lightly. Instead of focusing on which type of wine might be healthier, we should prioritize a broader understanding of alcohol's potential dangers and focus on reducing consumption to mitigate its long-term health risks.